10 tips and tricks. These are supposed to be my 10 favorite, but since this is a since this is the third time that I've done this, this might be from the 21st to the 30th favorite. But anyways, Trados Studio has so many things that you can keep coming up with new favorites. The first one is called coming to terms, right? Coming to terms. It refers to when we have to work with terminology, right? I don't know if everyone's aware of this, but in the SEO store, you have apart from the multi-term applications, you have this little tiny application called Glossary Converter. Who hasn't heard of this one, or who hasn't seen this one? All right. Who has used multi-term? Because that's who loves multi-term? Oh my god. If you love multi-term, then you're going to want to get married to this thing because